Hey you guys, Ashley K here, back with another video. And today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 new and very different side hustles that you can start this holiday season. You guys know holiday season is coming up. We are approaching the middle of November, and yes, Christmas is gonna start coming through, and this is such a great time to make some extra cash, make a little side hustle, start a little side hustle, make a little extra cash to pay for your gifts, pay for birthday presents, whatever is going on. You will have extra cash in your bank account because I'm giving you 3 different side hustles that you probably have not heard of. Okay, you guys, it's not going to be your typical thing for Uber or doing stuff on Instacart or even reselling things online. Okay, 3 different side hustles that you haven't heard of before that you can start this holiday season to make you some extra bank. Okay, you guys, so yes, now that we got that out the way, if you are new here as well, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on money. I specialize in videos on financial advice, but most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget-friendly life. Okay, so if that's something you are interested in, if you are interested in making money, learning how to make a quick buck, learning how to make a long buck, okay, not just a quick buck, but something that you can substantially make a living out of, that's what we specialize on this channel. So if that's something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. That would be down below. It's free. It don't cost you nothing to hit that red button. Okay, look at me spitting bars. Okay, yes. But yes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are new here, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and like this video. If you like content like this, that helps me know that you guys like this content, and that will keep me going. Okay, you guys, so yes, now that we got that out the way, I'll be sure to get into the first side hustle that we're going to talk about. So the first side hustle that we're going to talk about is actually flipping jewelry. And I know this probably sounds a little bit weird, a little bit different. Yes, there's actually an industry that you can actually buy vintage jewelry. You can actually sell vintage jewelry. There's actually a woman on this website that I'm going to talk about that has actually sold. She has actually went and bought vintage clothing and had ripped off the bunch of buttons off the clothing items and sold the buttons just to make money. Okay, you guys, so yes, you don't have to necessarily sell jewelry. You can sell novelty items. You can sell whatever you have that's basically worth of value. If you have like an engagement ring, necklaces that you have lying around, you can go ahead and sell those items and make thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, you guys, there's upwards to people that have made almost $39,000. Did you hear what I said? 39K off of just leftover jewelry. Okay, you guys, and off of turning buttons into earrings and making that make money for you. Okay, you guys, so yes, this is a very lucrative industry, and you definitely want to check this out. So yes, you guys, you can actually be selling your jewelry wherever you have lying around. Go ahead, look through your house. I'm pretty sure you have leftover gold jewelry, some jewelry that you don't necessarily wear anymore, maybe some hand-me-downs that's actual gold or silver or bronze or whatever whatever type of metal. Go ahead and post that online, you guys, and you can actually make upwards to a couple $100s or even thousands of dollars just for doing this quick side hustle. So definitely check it out. I will have it linked down below for all the additional information for that side hustle. So the next side hustle, it is a little bit abstract. It is a little weird, okay, you guys, but people are actually paying people, okay, to rent rooms in their house. And I'm not necessarily saying the person will like rent to actually stay. I'm talking about renting rooms for storage. Like you can actually put your rooms, empty rooms in your house online and sell that for storage, you guys. Like, yes, this is an actual thing. Okay, people will actually pay to rent rooms in your house just to store their items. So if they have extra boxes lying around and they don't necessarily want to go to a rental storage unit and can pay like a monthly fee or things like that, contracts get involved, they'll go to you if you have a spare room, spare closet, spare wardrobe, whatever you have going on in your home, some extra space that you are not using that someone can use for storage. They will actually pay you to store their items there. Okay, you guys, so yes, this is an actual thing. Websites like neighbor.com actually have people putting extra rooms in their home online for sale for people to rent and put their storage items. So if someone is probably moving cross country and they don't necessarily want to go to a storage unit to put their items, they just want an address where they can drop things off, keep their items there and pick them up when they need them, that is where you come in. Okay, so if you have a spare bedroom that you're not necessarily using for anything, if you have a spare office, whatever the case may be, some place that somebody can put their stuff, that's where you can put online and you can actually make some money. Okay, and upwards, a lot of people have made upwards to about $4,000 or $5,000 a month extra just for doing this. Okay, so if you are a risk taker, you know, obviously you definitely want to think about all the aspects of this. You are letting a stranger rent a room in your home with their items, so you know, you definitely want to think about all the aspects about this before going into the side hustle. But if you're someone that is a risk taker, you're open to it, and you're pretty, you know, lenient when it comes to these things, then you definitely want to check out neighbor.com. Like I said, it will be linked down below with all the rest of the side hustles. But yes, you guys, you could actually make some extra money just off of having an empty room. So yes, you definitely want to check this out. I will link this down below as well too, with the first side hustle that I talked about. And the last side hustle, but definitely not least, is reselling. I'm not just talking about reselling sneakers or jewelry items or whatever the case may be. I'm actually talking about reselling tickets for like concerts or events that may have be coming up. You guys, this is the holiday season, so a lot of events are going to be coming out. There's a lot of concerts that are happening, and people are making some serious money, not just of going to the concert, but they're making money off of reselling these tickets. Okay, you guys, so actually this is an actual side hustle that people actually do. Go ahead and watch what events are coming out. If there's a big concert, if there's an artist on tour, they go ahead and watch these schedules and they buy tickets. So if they're buying necessarily a ticket for themselves, they'll buy an extra set of tickets to sell, and you can actually resell these tickets and actually make thousands of dollars. Okay, you guys, this is not a long-term side hustle. I mean, you can do this long-term. It is a little tricky, but you can try and do it long-term. I would definitely look into that, but it's more of a short-term side hustle. So if you see an event that's happening, you go ahead and buy an extra ticket, and you can resell these tickets upwards to about like $2,000, $3,000. You guys, people are paying serious money to go to these events. So if you can go ahead and make that bank, you can go ahead and make that bank. Okay, you guys, it is a little, like I said, it is risky. Sometimes it can get a little tricky. I think there was actually a event that just recently happened with I think Taylor Swift. Some people were reselling tickets and reselling it quite expensive. So you guys, like, this has been around from time. Okay, you can resell these tickets on like StubHub, Ticketmaster. Like, there's so many websites that you can buy and resell these tickets, and people will actually buy them because they're so pressed to go to these events. So, and if the tickets are sold out, there's a market for it. Like, they will pay whatever they need to pay to be able to buy these tickets. Obviously, will take a little bit of research. You do want to make sure you look at your local events in your neighborhood, whether that be an artist that's going on tour and he is performing in your area of the world. You can go ahead and buy an extra ticket to this concert and then resell them on anywhere. You can sell them on not just Ticketmaster or StubHub. You can go ahead and resell it on social media and make some money off of that. So you guys, this has been going on for the dawn of time. Okay, people have always been reselling tickets, so you can definitely check this out, especially around the holiday season. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of events happening, so you definitely want to check that out and see how you can get into that action and how you can make some extra thousands of dollars just doing this side hustle. Okay, you guys, so yes, that is just the rundown of some 3 quick and easy side hustles that you can start up quick and easy. Some of them require a little bit of capital, some of them don't require anything at all, you guys. So definitely check those out. I will have all the information linked down below. Stay to the video. You have made it to the exciting news that I have for you guys. And I have now started a mentorship call service, you guys. So if you are someone that is struggling to find a side hustle, if you're someone that needs some financial advice right now, if you're someone that is trying to see which side hustle is the best for you, you want to start a side hustle but you don't know which one is the best for you, you definitely can go ahead and give me a call. I have now a booking service that you guys can actually book the times that you want to speak to me personally. You can actually have an an actual phone call with me. Okay, this is a paid phone call, you guys. All the information will be down below on how to book and go ahead and get in touch with me, you guys. I actually have a scheduled calendar that you can pick the date and time that works for you, and it's a 30-minute phone call that you guys can actually talk to me if you need any financial advice or any financial tips or any financial whatever you need that is financial. I am your girl. I will help you out. I will be down below on how to book that. Like I said, all the information will be down below, but now this is available for you guys. I've seen your emails and I get tons of emails every day, so now you can actually get a personalized answer from me, which will be so much easier for you guys to actually get in contact with me. So I'm so excited about this. I'm hoping that it helps a whole bunch of people. Okay, I'm here to help y'all. I'm your girl. I'm here to help with whatever y'all need. Okay, so yes, that would be links down below. Definitely check out the other side hustle information that I have down below as well too. Check out my latest and greatest videos. I will definitely be putting that down below as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.